Thank you, Mr. President. I also want to agree with my colleague from the north. When you represent very small rural counties, as a senator from the second Senate district and myself do, papers are one of the only avenues for getting information out to our constituents. As he explained very eloquently, and all those places don't have the infrastructure for broadband and the likes to even get good cell service where we can uh, be able to get good information in the northern part of the state for sure. So I stand in support of AB 323. Also, want to share that this is kind of an area where we have the opportunity where people can print and they're held accountable by the sales of their paper and their opinions. And we've seen that information distributed through Facebook and internet and other social media platforms are taking people off of those and not allowing us to have the freedom of speech that we've seen over decades of print. And so I think that I would like to see the sunset come off of this as well, just to make sure that we have other opportunities to see to get information that's unbiased or maybe not shut down by some other ability to be able to take people off of their social media and not allow their voices to be heard. Even though sometimes we don't want to hear it or it's a different opinion of ours, it still needs to be said. And I think that's something that's happening in America right now that's changing, and it's unfortunate. So for that reason and many other reasons, along with I agree with what my colleague said about the policies that AB 5 has caused in our country during a pandemic is unfortunate. And we need to look at those carve-outs that are there and do the right thing for the people that want to be independent and to be able to work those hours that they want to work and be able to be compensated at a fair rate and have freedom. Quite frankly, it's about freedom. And more I see our government taking away those freedoms because one certain people want them to be in this box or that box. And I don't think that's fair to the Californians. I don't think it's fair to Americans. And I think it's really stifling our freedom. So for those reasons, I'll be supporting AB 323. Thank you, Mr. President.